Yo, what's up guys? My name is JT and I have probably one of the most detailed cars I've ever seen in HO scale. And you guys are going to see it right here on Model Railroading the Southwest. So what is this fantastic looking model that I speak of? Well, this is the Prairie Shadows Model Railway Company, and this is a fantastic looking car. It is probably one of the most detailed cars I have ever seen before in HO scale. It has so much detail, I could not even believe my eyes when I opened up the box. This was given to me by the guys at Home Shops, and Home Shops is a company that specializes in freelance and proto-freelance paint schemes. Now, there's a ton of proto-freelance paint schemes that you can find on the website, such as the Arvada Western and the Denver Terminal. Super cool looking paint schemes. Now, this one is actually in the Home Shops leasing paint scheme, and it is incredible, and it looks really, really cool. So let's go ahead and take this to the workbench and check it out. So here we have the box. I really like this box. It's like it's purple and black. I just like the colors that are on this box. Is pretty cool. It looks like it's equipped with Kadee couplers. That's pretty nice. There's all the information. Looks like it's one of 54 produced for Home Shops by Prairie Shadows. Let's go ahead and open this up. Looks like we have an extra few pieces in here that I'm not exactly sure what they're for just yet. There's no instructions or any sort of manual inside. Let's go ahead and pop this open. Take this out very carefully because there's so many pieces on this car. Check this out. Look at all of that that's on this car. All the etched metal walkways. Underbody detail. Look at all of that. What an incredible looking car. Okay, let's go ahead and take a closer look. We'll go ahead and start off with the end of the car. Now, there was a little bag of details inside the car. I couldn't quite figure out what they were for. They're either parts that you can apply to the model, or they are parts for pieces that become missing over time. So I'm not exactly sure. Now, if we take a look at this end of the model, you'll notice that they have Kadee couplers. Those are whisker couplers, and they are scale couplers. They're very nicely done. Over here, you'll find that there is this coupler cut bar detail and the hose for the brakes. Now, you'll find that everything is nicely molded, as you can see here. It's nice and crisp, and there's nothing wrong with them whatsoever. Down over here, you'll find that there's a separately applied step right there. Now, earlier in the video, I said this might be the most detailed freight car I've ever seen. Now, that is because there's so much to look at on this car. Now, there are other HO scale cars that are very, very detailed and, a little bit better than this. But this has so much to look at. As you can see, all of the piping down below is just incredible. Now, Walthers produced this a while back in a kit form. Now, the piping on this one is much more defined than that on the Walthers. And there's just extra pieces that are added on this compared to the Walthers. Now, there's a little valve there that you can open up there, and there's piping that comes from there that attaches to the bottom of the car. Now, all of that piping and all the detail makes up for the trucks, because the trucks are a little bit on the, the plain side, because there's no roller bearing trucks there. Now, this is a very expensive model. It's over $50. It's quite close to $60. And, it would have been kind of nice to see the roller bearing trucks, but, everything else is just spectacular on this model. Like I mentioned before, just this piping is incredible. That's what really, really drew my attention to this car, is all of the piping that is attached down there. And it just looks great. It doesn't look like just some styrene that was glued onto the bottom of this car. The B end of the car really shines. It looks absolutely beautiful. As you can see that the brake wheel is finely casted, and behind it the mount as well. The chain detail that goes below this separately applied step looks finely done. The brake reservoir looks nice as well, because you can see the fittings from where the pipes attach to it. Down below is the coupler cut bar detail. On the side, you'll see that there is a separately applied part as well. All of these steps and the steps down below are nicely done as well, nice and crisp. You can see that the Home Shop's leasing logo is finally done as well, nice and crisp. Over here you can see that there is some stenciling there as well that looks very crisp and it is legible. On this side of the model you can see that the welding seams all along the side of the car are nice and pronounced. Down below you'll find that all the warning labels and stenciling is nice and crisp. Most of it is legible with the naked eye and under magnification. Some of them are not so much, but they are, small enough where you really wouldn't be able to see them anyway. You can see over here that there are the jacking points here and there, and those are separately applied as well. Where the material comes out of the bottom of the car, there, and all along the side, you'll see that those little caps down there are separately applied, and they have the bolt detail that's raised off of the cap as well. Here we have a better look at the trucks. Now, like I said earlier, they're not incredibly detailed, but they do have enough to look good. Now you can see that there's the spring detail down below, and there is the bearing cap detail as well. And also you can see that there, maybe in the camera you can see that there's some raised letters on the side of the truck as well. On this portion of the car you can see that the walkways are separately applied and they are metal. And you can see right down through them, and they're just not some piece of plastic that is simulating metal. You can see that all the hatches are separately applied as well, and they are finely casted, and we have another separately applied part right there. The underside of this car is actually quite striking. You can actually see all of the piping that I mentioned earlier all along the bottom right there, and where the piping actually attaches to the discharge gates underneath the car. Now you'll also see these hoses that are attached to it as well, and down below there is another pipe and another pipe that spans across the bottom of the car as well. Now they could have just got the car and put in some straight pipes and called it good, but if you look at the pipes closely you can see all of the fittings where each individual pipe is actually connected to each other. So that's a really cool addition to this car. They really took this car over the top. One thing I did notice, it is missing the screw for the coupler box, which is a little unfortunate, but I can easily put in another screw, no problem. I think a lot of you will agree with me that this company is seriously doing an excellent job in their cars. So thank you so much to Home Shops for giving me this car. I'm incredibly grateful. Great looking car, great looking logo, and this is awesome. So thank you so much for that. And I hope to buy more from you guys in the future. So if you guys have any comments or questions, put it down below, put it in an email, do whatever you guys want. So that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Talk later, take care, and keep it tuned to the rails.